Let's start by thinking about what Python actually is. It's a commonly used high-level programming language that's been used to code apps such as Instagram. To learn how to code using Python, you need to install a Python IDE onto your computer, for example Python idle. An IDE is a software tool that helps you to write, debug and test the program. Python idle is a simple, easy to use IDE. There are alternatives, but this guide uses Python idle. When you first open Python idle, you will see the interactive window or shell. This interactive window is ideal for writing short, simple programs. You'll always write code in the interactive window after the chevrons. It should look something like this. Here is the Python idle interactive window. I'm going to start writing my first program using the print statement. Hello world in brackets. Just put a space in there. And when you press enter, it displays hello world. You can use the same idea to display any text. So if you use the print statement again, and this time we type in a name, and then press enter again, it will display that text. You can also do calculations using Python. For example, addition, 2 add 2, which gives you 4. Subtraction, 5 minus 2, which will give you 3. Multiplication, 3, in this case use a star for multiply, and that gives you 9. Division, 20 divide by 4, and that gives you 5. And you can also do remainder, so it just shows you the remainder. So that's done by using the percentage key, so 20 percentage 6, and that will give you the remainder 2. And you can do to the power of as well. So for example, if you want to do 2 to the power of 2, then you do 2 stars there, and that would be 2 to the power of 2, and that gives you 4. And finally you can do division with no remainder, so it just gives you the whole number. So 8 being divided by 5, and you use 2 forward slashes there by 5, and that should give you a whole number of 1. When you're actually writing a program using Python, it's easy to make a small mistake. These mistakes are often syntax errors. In other words, you're not using the correct language that Python understands. Let me give you an example of that. If I type in print and I type hello world, I've forgotten to put the speech marks in, so if I press enter now, we get a syntax error. So it's letting me know there's an invalid syntax in my program there, and I've forgotten to put the speech marks. Another example of this could be if you put a capital letter for print, for example, and then you typed in the rest correctly. In this case, you get another error there. It's telling you print is not defined because you used the capital P. Just look out for these problems. Again, you just need to be very careful with the way you write your programs, and you'll be fine.